Right, this is the bit where the kids come to you and want something sewing. I feel like my mum at the moment. Pull your machine out and you're like, right up there. Tell me what it is. At the moment, what I'm doing is mending the jubba. Now, she's going to go mosque, right? She's got this jubba to wear. It had the biggest rip in it that I've ever seen. I was wondering how the hell you get such a big rip in it. So anyone else wants anything sewing, kids, get it out now while the machine's out. It's not going to be out for long. It's such a wonderful skill to have, to be able to use a sewing machine and do a bit of sewing. Trust me, the amount of things I've got with a hole in it, or you see a bit of stitching coming apart and you think, oh yes, oh good job, I'll remember to sew it and stuff. We never really remember, do you? Now this, have you put it in the thingy? Put it in.
No, touch it. Have you got any clippers?
Men's, these are here. I'll do it as oil hot.
It looks really hot.
Kind of like almost done here. Just 1 second. Now if this rips again, Inaya, you're on your own, mate. Because obviously it's like a stretchy lycra. If you pull it, the daga will break. You're going mosque, you're not going to push feet.